Hey guys, Frank here with a tip on wxGlade for Windows 10. So I'm going to open up wxGlade.pyw, which will open up the application. And you can see all the text is really blurry. It's at least it is on my screen. I don't know how it's rendering for you, but if you're using like a Windows 10 device with high resolution, you've noticed a lot of older applications. A lot of applications have difficulty rendering the fonts correctly. And they're kind of blurry, and it makes it really hard to work with. It doesn't look professional. The good news is there's a really easy way to fix that, and it just takes 1 minute of your time. So I'm going to share with you how to fix this blurry issue. So I'm going to close this, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up wxGlade.py, the .py file, not the pyw file, but the py file, in your editor, or you could even use a text editor. And right at the beginning, you're going to see all the some copyright information, some imports. You're going to want to add this line of code that I've commented out to demonstrate. And I just made a note to myself. I added this to fix the font issue in Windows 10. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to import C types, and you're going to put a try block in here, try except block. And you're going to put in this line of code here, ctypes.windll.shcore.setProcess DPI awareness true. And then you're going to put an accept pass, so that if you're not on a Windows device or that doesn't work, if you're not on a a Windows 10 device, this won't cause an error. So you're going to do a try except with this line of code. And let's see what happens now that I've uncommented that, and I'm going to save that and run that. Oops. Let's run the right file here. And you can see now when I run the wxGlade application, all the fonts render with high resolution. So it's a really easy fix. Just add this line of code here to your wxGlade.py file. Thanks.